Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you all how I save my hair from this failed braid out. As you all can see, I did start off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. I normally always wash and condition my hair before styling. As you all can see here, I was trying to go for like a little bang situation, hence why I took my time on making this part in the front, because I kind of wanted a bang for this hairstyle. And I went ahead and sectioned my hair all over to make this process a little bit easier. So I was going for a jumbo braid out, and of course I'm using my favorite product, well, one of my favorite products, which is the Curl Stretch Pudding by Shea Moisture, and I'm making sure that I work that product into each section. Now, for this hairstyle, I only used one product, which that may have contributed to it, but I'm sure that it did it. During this period of time, this was around the holiday, and you guys, I was not feeling well at all. I had got several tests done, and I think I just had a really bad cold. So I was very lazy with doing my hair, to be honest with you all, but I knew that my hair needed something done to it to make it through the holiday season. So that's why I went for a jumbo braid out, because I thought it'd be easier and less time consuming, and that I would still get the same results that I was looking for. So I did remove the excess product because I wanted my hair to dry as fast as possible, because Stefan and I had to go somewhere literally the next day, and I was already doing my hair like at midnight. So in the front, I did add a little bit more product to my edges to kind of get it smooth, so that I didn't have to use like gel or anything in the morning. Just kind of, you know, giving my hair that prep for styling. So as you all can see, I'm just tying my hair up and hoping, really hoping that my hair is going to come out and that it's going to be dry in the morning. So here's my hair the next morning, and of course it looks dry, you guys. It really does look dry, but it's not dry. And as I go through with taking down the plaits, I am feeling the moisture still at the roots. I can still feel that my hair has water in it. But as you all know, I had somewhere to go, and I was literally running out of time. Now, if my hair would have set a little bit longer, I'm pretty sure that the definition would have lasted. But as you all will see as I get through taking it down, they're kind of poofy. And what I mean by poofy is that my hair is just not dry. It still has a lot of water in it. And one thing I know about my hair is that if it's not completely dry, the humidity is going to just ruin the hairstyle later. So this is pretty much what my hair is looking like after I take the plaits out, and I'm like, okay, let's get the creator wheel spinning, because we have to save this somehow, because we have to make it through this weekend trip. So I did go for a bang in the front, like I told you all at the beginning of the video. So I'm like, maybe I can just put it up in a puff and that'll work. But as you all can see, I have like this section in the front where the definition didn't quite get those few strands, and I just started inspecting it. Let me get a little tendril in the back maybe, and then I just started looking. That's not gonna work. So I did go ahead and put it up in a ponytail to see how it would fare, and if I had a little bit more definition in the front, I would have definitely rocked this hairstyle. And I start playing with my hair to kind of see like, does this gonna look right? Is my hair gonna lay this way today? And of course I take the puff down, and I'm just really trying to figure out where's the most definition in my hair. And I decided to go for 2 twists in the front, because I really like to do twisted headbands and braided headbands. So it's like, maybe I can just do 2 twists in the front and then just let the back out. I am going to show you all both of the twists that I did in the front, but then as I was doing it, I started to think that, okay, if my hair is not completely dry in the back and it's not completely dry in the front, the twists are going to be fine, but my hair is just going to be all over the place in the back. But I still did it anyways to show you all another hairstyle that you could use if your braid out failed but your hair was still dry. You could definitely do this hairstyle right here. So now I'm going to show you all the third and last hairstyle that worked for me, and it actually lasted about 4 to 5 days. So I took the twist out on the side as you all see here. I left a little tendril out in the back, and then I put my hair tie up there to go for somewhat of a ponytail slash puff. Now you guys, Stefan told me that this thing, which is what I call a tendril, he told me it was a jerry curl, so my little jerry curl in the back. And I decided to add a little bit of edge control just to make the hairstyle just a little bit more sleek. And here are the final results. This hairstyle is so easy to maintain just by tying a scarf around your head. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!